Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis.
Chen Meng cried after winning gold medal. When Olympic champions have become criminals that everyone wants to punish, this is after the women's singles final of the Paris Olympics. The scene that took place, Chen Meng unexpectedly defeated Sun Yingxia to win the championship. What she received was not flowers and applause, but curses from the Chinese audience.
Whoa.
Coach Ma Lin didn't even smile. Sad face.
I'm just amazed how Chen Meng is staying so
Well, Sun Yingxia should win normally. Why?
concentrated, so beautiful.
I can't believe it. Although Chen Meng, who won the game, was winning glory for the country, but at this moment, she looked more like a loser when an Olympic champion actually had to bear the infamy. Enduring the anger and malice from her own people, even during the match between the two of them, Sun Yingxia won. The scene was full of cheers. Chen Meng won. Not only was there no cheering, everybody is not happy. Why? Both are Chinese players. Why is there such a degree of favoritism? I believe many people have the answer. The fan culture has corrupted the national table tennis team. They just simply think it is very fashionable to like Sun Yingxia. They think that the whole world should make way for their idol. The research shows that if their idol does not get the results they expected, they will not be able to accept it. Crazy attack on opponents. Fans attack and abuse each other. However, the relationship between Sun Yingxia and Chen Meng has always been good. At the end of the game, Sun Yingxia smiled and congratulated Chen Meng on her victory. In the subsequent women's team competition, Chen Meng off the court also kept cheering for Sasha, who was in the game. The two also chatted happily after the game. Before Sasha entered the national table tennis team, they often trained together and cheered each other on, although there was a 7-year age difference. But there was no barrier between them. The two are not only best friends, but also best rivals. So I hope those malicious speculations and attacks stay away from the players. Until I saw Chen Meng's past, I didn't know why she burst into tears after the finals. Selected for the national table tennis team at the age of 13. A rare young genius, almost no rivals in the same age group, winning for gold medals in the youth championship at the age of 17. For her at that time, all she needed to do was keep training and competing. Hone your skills, improve your experience. Waiting to create your own era. But the road to success is not smooth sailing for most people. It's very difficult to be a pro table tennis player, commented by Coach EmRatThich. Injury and illness. All of them tortured her on her way to growth.
In the past 1 or 2 years, I myself also. There are some such injuries and such troubles. But what about the team? Whether it is communication with the coach, or is it about our medical, the communication with the support staff, including the help they gave me, it was still very big, including myself in the past 2 years. I have also been improving my physical fitness. This kind of physical training, because I am indeed different from 4 years ago. During the 3 years of preparation, I think it is actually for me. This kind of challenge is still very big, right?
2021 World Table Tennis Championships in Houston. Facing Wang Monyu, who was in full form, Chen Meng suffered a reversal despite leading by a large margin. Finally missed the final. 2023 World Table Tennis Championships in Durban. Chen Meng made it to the final again after 4 years. Meet the new generation Big Devil Sun Yingxia. At this time, Chen Meng already seemed a little overwhelmed. Sun Yingxia, plus Sun Yingxia's strong strength, Finally, she regrettably fell before the champion. 2019 Swedish Open, Ito Mima fought hard in the game, defeated Sun Yingxia and Wang Manyu successively. Reached the final. She defeated Sun Yingxia again after a few years, becoming the third Olympic women's singles defending champion after Deng Yaping and Zhang Yining. Before the game, almost no one was optimistic about Chen Meng. On the contrary, Sun Yingxia has won various championships. But Chen Meng managed to win in this situation. Reversed the game with a score of 4-2. Defeated the Little Devil Sun Yingxia, recreate the Tokyo Olympics. Chen Meng's victory also made many fans who support Sun Yingxia completely broken. They shouted madly, "The winner should not be Chen Meng. Rumors are damaging." Chen Shang hurt Chen Meng just like he did back then. It's not enough to boo Chen Meng on the spot. Still spreading rumors about Chen Meng and Coach Ma Lin on the internet. Conspiracy theory: Chen Meng snatched Wang Manyu's singles spot. Her championship is not glorious. Obviously, we are the most united nation. But we were embarrassed by the so-called fan circle culture. Let foreigners laugh at us. Competitive sports, strength is supreme. A team that spends time together day and night. It is normal for you to win me and I to win you. Anyway, we are fighting for our country. Whoever wins the gold medal will be credited to China. Why should we fight among ourselves? We should respect every athlete, respect every honor. Reject sports fan clubs. Don't let fan club culture erode Chinese table tennis.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.